Hello everyone, let's solve question number 17 here. The question states, a moving block of having mass m collides with another stationary object having mass 4m. The lighter block comes to rest, that is the final velocity is equal to 0, that is after collision, where the initial velocity of the lighter block is v. Then the value of coefficient of restitution will be, let's solve the question. Now we just need to apply a single equation here, that is the conservation of linear momentum, right? So that is mv will be equal to 4 mv dash, that is equal to v dash equal to v by 4, right? This is an important result, we need to keep it in mind. Now we know the formula for coefficient of restitution, that is velocity of separation versus upon velocity of approach, right? So the formula is velocity of separation is equal to v by 4 minus 0, velocity of approach is equal to v minus 0. Dividing these two, we get 1 by 4, which decimal equal to 0.25. Hence the answer is 0.25.